Okay, well, this was totally an experiment. Number one, I wanted to try to make this shape using the miter saw to cut pieces of wood and then glue them back together. I use Matthias Wendel's splayed miter chart in order to get the right angle. Still wasn't quite accurate enough because my saw is not very accurate. I can't get down to the 100th of a degree like he displays on his charts. But I also wanted to try out this rotary tool with some carving bits that I ordered recently, just to try it out. This thing is uncomfortable to use for an extended period of time. I used it for several hours today and a few hours the other day, and this middle finger is numb because of how you have to hold it. It's kind of heavy, top heavy this way, because the motor is here, and it's like putting a lot of pressure this way, and having to hold my thumb in this position and using these two fingers to hold it makes it uncomfortable for an extended period of time. It came with this flexible extension, which is fine, but it only works for a short period before it gets super hot on this handle. So I don't feel comfortable using this for a super long period of time. Another issue I have is that it makes such a mess. Just dust everywhere. I mean, this is just on the table where I was carving. The floor is also covered. I took a break for several hours and went and got cleaned up, but it gets everywhere, everywhere. I was using my face shield and I have to stop and wipe it every short time because it's so dusty. Anyway, I think this looks kind of neat. As I said, it was just an experiment to see what I could do. I'm not sure how I'm going to finish it. Originally, I had intended to sand this smooth, but it was so difficult to try to do it just with sandpaper that I've decided not to sand it and just leave it rough. Anyway, that's it for now. See you next time in Cammy's Garage.